Murnal sir, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Very warm good evening to all the dignitaries and dear participants. I am privileged to welcome our beloved principal, Dr. P.B. Murnar, sir, Head of Civil Engineering Department, Dr. G.K. Patil, sir, Coordinator of this FDP, Dr. D.G. Regular, sir, and dear all the participants to this valedictory function of Atal Online FDP on engineering optimization techniques and its applications, organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad. Now I request Dr. D.G. Regular sir to brief about
Please give me
or
sharing.
to
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. We are at the last phase, valedictory session. This engineering optimization techniques and its applications, it is a Atal FDP, that is AICT Training and Learning Academy, online FDP. So we have started on 14th and today we are ending this, being organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. For this, you can see on the screen the speakers. On the first day, Dr. Jyoti Prakash from IIT Bombay, Dr. Dahe from SGGS Nanded, and myself, we have conducted the sessions. On the second day, Professor Vaikar and Professor Gupta, along with me. Professor Vaikar, he is from SGGS Nanded, and Gupta sir, he is from VNIT Nagpur. So we have taken on the day 2. Day 3, it was taken by Dr. Nagesh Kumar from ISC Bangalore, Dr. Uma Mahesh from NIT Warangal, and Himanshu Nagarkar. He is from Mumbai. So Himanshu, he has taken the session for art of living, that is stress management and life skill management, which was a mandatory requirement of AICT, one session on stress management. So wonderful session he has taken. Day 4, that is the Nikhil Mariwala from Kurukshetra University, Dr. Raju and Dr. Vasan from BITS, Hyderabad. So they have conducted it. On day 5, Dr. Arun Kumar, that is today, from NIT Calicut, and Dr. Lalit Singh from BARC. He is a scientist. So he has taken a wonderful lecture. So this is how about the experts, those who have shared their knowledge in this 5 days FDP. For optimization, these 5 days, it is very small hours, less number of hours. It's a very huge topic, and to understand and to practice, a lot of days are required. And but definitely this helps a lot in all disciplines for the research. This is how the participants from Maharashtra 87 and other state 113. So this is the registered and approved participants 200. But I know all 200 they have not attended, because I have seen the attendance of the participants. Today afternoon only, the entire attendance, I have just gone through it through the Cisco WebEx attendance as well as the Google Sheet attendance. When I check that, I think 32 participants, they were not continuously attended. But still 170, around 170 participants, they have a good attendance. Okay. And the participants, they are mostly from Tamil Nadu, 28%, Telangana 9%, and the other the percentages that is being seen right from Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Chandigarh, and all parts of the India, we had the participants for this Atal FDP. Then, if you look to this, the faculties and students and research scholars, this is a ratio like assistant professor 65%, associate 9%, professors 5%, and research scholars 21%. So definitely, these all they will be benefited with this course. And this is our team. A very good support we had from Computer Science and Engineering Department of our institute. Ashutosh, who is the main in technical things, and his team that includes Shravani, Ritvik, Prithviraj, Sumit, and Dev Swarup. So as and when needed, definitely all they have contributed a lot to this FDP from technical side. And remaining thing, definitely the Pushpak, Pallavi, and Rahul, they are all research scholars of our department, and they have contributed a lot in this FDP. So these are all about from my side. And we have conducted just now 3 to 5. We have conducted a quiz for 100 marks, and the performance is very good because so many performances. Just I have gone through it. I have not seen all, but the performance-wise, it's a I should say it's an excellent performance based upon this 5 days knowledge, because the participants have not given time to study because optimization techniques and or operation research. So this is a subject where I mean participants or students, they need a time for practice and study. But still, I saw a few postgraduate students, they have got more than 80 marks. Even research scholars, even professors, assistant professors, associate professors, even I think the maximum what I see, it is around 87 or something. (92) is the maximum. So it's a wonderful experience for us also, that within 5 days, definitely we could disseminate the knowledge of optimization techniques through I think 10 or 11 experts, and all faculties, those who have delivered the lecture, they were experts in all these fields. So I hope participants have benefited, and this is how a preamble or brief about the FDP. Thank you. Pallavi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Feedback is a gift, and ideas are the currency for our next success. Now I request our participants to share their feedback about this FDP.
So I think some 2-3 participants, they have expressed their willingness to share the feedback. You can call them first, and then you make it open to all.
I request Ritu Agrawal to share her views.
Even host, you can make all as panelists so that they can unmute. And we can take the group photograph at the end. Yeah, now you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. The work of the FDP was really very nice, and it was well organized. And I tried to attend all the sessions of your FDP, but since I was having some of the lectures, so could not attend 1 or 2 lectures. But overall, everything was well organized and well planned. So thank you for giving such a nice FDP session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now I request Dr. M. Varat Rajulu. He is the postdoctoral fellow at NIT Trichy. Are you there, sir?
Yes, yes, madam. Whether it is audible, ma'am?
Yeah,
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Audible.
Yes, sir. Good evening. This is Dr. Varadarajulu. I'm doing my postdoctoral fellow in National Institute of Technology. And a warm good evening. And since from the selection of the title itself, it is so good, that is engineering optimization techniques and its application. See, during this pandemic, we were unable to continue our research. We are stuck with our data, and since it would have a very good idea about the optimization techniques, we can continue our research with available data. We can take it for further developments. I thank each and everyone. I thank the patrons from the patron, director, joint director, principal, head of civil engineering, and coordinator, and the speakers, and the coordinator team for the well planned, well structured, well organized FDP. I request Dr. Professor Regalwar sir, since it was an elementary course, I request you to make it as a full version. We are expecting a full version of this optimization technique, which will be beneficial for the research community. That will be very good, sir. And the efforts taken by the coordinators, even during the valedictory functions, also you are giving a pictorial representation. That was fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving such a wonderful opportunity. On behalf of all the participants, it is from acknowledgement from our side. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Varat Rajulu, for your words. And this is an elementary course. This is as per AICTE, I mean, Atal requirement. We have submitted 2 proposals. One is this elementary, and one more is advanced. So that advanced, if we receive the approval, it will be in the month of August. Thank you very much.
Sir, we will expecting you to attend those full session also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, this is Dr. D. Mohan Raj from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Sir, actually, this is very useful and wonderful work for this pandemic situation, sir. It is very tough task to do with our organizing all for the expertise together, sir. It's really very good, very wonderful, sir. It's very useful for all researchers and professors, associate professors, and also for the teaching faculty, sir. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Anyone else who is interested?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, this is Dr. Makaranda Jadhav from Pune.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sir, I am actually ENDC engineer. And the first time I came across the optimization word when I had a topic on performance optimization for my PhD.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so it was somewhere in 2012-13, I do remember. And then from there, I was searching what is optimization, because we never had any subject regarding optimization as on at that time. And then I came across a meeting with so many faculty members. And at the end, I have applied Tagozi and as well as RSM optimization method for my topic at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how then I got fascinated with this optimization methods. Have optimization club under the banner of I'm audible, sir?
Yeah, audible. Please continue.
Yeah. So we are trying to form one optimization club under the Pune University. So for that club, actually, we may require the help of so eminent personalities what I have been with them for last 5 days. Okay, fine. Even the presence of attending the sessions was up and down because of some official commitment. But whatever the presentations used to share, used to go through in the evening before you go down to sleep. And really that has helped to take care of some good solving examples which you really understood in what is optimization. Still, I have added the same research work of mine where I had asked in the morning the question which method I should apply for the channel allocation method when people are talking of 5G. So where the bandwidth is scared and we are putting everything on mobile, and then you want that mobile should do everything for us. Okay, so a number of users with limited bandwidth, that's the biggest challenge what we have in coming 2021. And there that optimization comes into the picture where we want to optimize the resource allocations as well as the available bandwidth with the network. So thank you very much, sir. Actually, I'm very thankful to Dr. Regular, sir, who is the convener for this FDP on engineering optimization techniques and its applications. All the participants, thank you very much. I have really enjoyed all these technical sessions. Hope all the participants do have the same feelings. With this, once again, I express my sincere thanks to all the organizers for selecting me for these workshops. Thanks one and all. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Any
Hello.
other participant want to share?
Hello.
Ramesh.
Hello, sir. I am Ramesh.
Yeah, Professor Ramesh, please.
Yes, sir. I am a professor from the Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bangalore. And I am a civil engineer and water resource engineering background. I am very happy to attend this FDP because, of course, I am still very happy because most of you have selected these are water resource people only. So all the applications were belonging to water resource engineering, except today we could see that 1 or 2 lectures which are out of water resource background. There was a little difficulty because classes were there and we have to complete the classes and take the things. Of course, my area of research is also MILP, mixed integer linear programming, and I'm having a student in linear programming. So still I'm in learning. I cannot say that I have completed. You have given a lot of people to me so that I can continue my work in the future days. Thank you for selecting me. Most probably I requested you for the selection also because on the first day when you sent the SMS, I had no identity card because you had told me to attach the identity card. Because we were in lockdown, the identity card was not there. Therefore, I had contacted you. Identity card was not there. So you told that you will look after it. I have been selected. Even now, I am interested in optimization. I am an optimization man. Thank you very much for selecting. I will also attend the advanced courses. So we shall have a good contact with you. And in the days to come, we will try to cooperate with us and do the works together, sir. Thank you. Thank you for this one.
Yeah, thank you very much. Only I will just update one information. Hardly water resources people are 15 to 20%.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Most of them, they are from computer, electronics, mechanical, mathematics, and other disciplines. Water resources hardly 10 to 15%.
But the experts selected, you were all mostly.
No, actually, yeah. It is because it is an elementary course, and we wanted to give the knowledge of optimization.
Yeah, correct.
And they are the experts in optimization.
100%, sir. 100%.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They are all authors.
100%, sir. Good
Yes,
selection, sir. Good selection.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Anybody else want to speak?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, I am Dr. Rajkumar from fashion technology domain.
Oh, great.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank you for selecting me for this wonderful program on optimization techniques. It was very niceful. All these sessions are very useful for me. I used some optimization tools like Decision Expert, Minitab, some regression equations. I felt a little bit difficult to understand the mathematical concepts in linear programming and non-linear programming. So I have learned the basics, the concepts about linear and non-linear programming. Definitely, it will be more helpful to apply this concept in my field. Thank you, sir. Thank you for providing me the opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, only one thing you can request to tell people that 4 hours per day is a good.
No,
trend.
that
You
is
can
what
make
at the end. At
you
the
can
end,
make
I
6
want.
or 7. You can make 6 or 7 days, no problem. You can increase the number of days. 4
No,
hours
at
per
the
day is a good this one.
no, I saw your message, and at the end, I wanted to speak on that also. It is not only for you, for the coordinators also. It is very difficult because after sitting for 6 hours, because every day I was sitting for 6 hours, and plus some planning. So 7, 8 hours I have to sit, and at the end of the day, it's very hectic and headache.
No, you can increase the number of days because
No,
it
it
is
is
only
not.
sitting on the previously
Basically, it is.
FDPs were 4 days only because completely we were coming and TADA were being given now. TADA they are not giving anyhow now. We are sitting here and asking, we are hearing. Therefore, another 2 days let them increase the number of this one time.
Okay.
Number
Yeah,
of
yeah.
slots may be
As a coordinator, I will definitely communicate to the AICT, I mean Atal, and even if somebody has not raised this issue, it was there in mind to write to them.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
We'll write it. Thank you, sir. Somebody else? Yeah, somebody else want to speak, please? Yeah, Pallavi.
Yes, sir. Now, thank you, participants, for such wonderful feedbacks. Now, I request Dr. P.B. Munna, sir, Principal, Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, to share his views.
Okay, thank you, Pallavi. And participants for this particular program, faculty members and all. So I'm very happy that finally this has come to an end with a great success, because based on the feedback we are receiving, it is really wonderful to hear all this feedback. And I could see the cross section of the participants right from professor level to the research scholars level. So which itself talks about the great success of this particular program. And so I'm sure that all the participants will take this ahead in their own field in the research, since it is interdisciplinary, and they will gain a lot as far as this particular course is concerned. And we are thankful to AICT for giving us an opportunity to disseminate this particular information to all the participants. And we look forward to AICT for further advanced course, and we hope that we'll be able to conduct that in the month of August. And at the outset, let me congratulate the Department of Civil Engineering for wonderfully organizing this particular program, and specifically Professor Regulwar, the coordinator, who has taken a lot of pains in this, and also the team he has mentioned about the student teams. They are always there for helping us, and they have taken a lot of efforts in this direction. And I wish all the success for the further programs in this direction. And again, I congratulate the Department of Civil Engineering. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request our GK Patil, sir, who is the head of Civil Engineering Department, to address us.
So, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, I congratulate to the participants for completing this 5 days FDP on engineering optimization. Definitely, for the research scholars and PG students, new direction must have opened for them. The course will definitely be helpful for the academicians who have attended this course in full. I specifically thankful to Dr. Agarwal for completing one more course. This is the first in Atal, I think, and there will be few more coming in, coming in next days. So I congratulate him, and on behalf of Civil Engineering Department also, I am thankful to all the participants. Thanking you.
Thank you, sir. No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. Now I invite Dr. D.G. Regular sir to propose vote of thanks.
Yeah, thank you, Pallavi. And we are at the end of this program. So I thank, first of all, the AICTE for providing us this opportunity to conduct the faculty development program through Atal FDP. And we thank them for providing even the funds to organize this. And as Dr. Patil sir and Murnar sir says, it is a first kind of FDP in our institute. I thank Professor Murnar for encouraging us to write this proposal to Atal. Because when this information of the Atal was there, he was talking about applying to the Atal, and based upon that we have applied. So thanks for inspiring us to go for these AICTE training programs, because before this we used to conduct through TechCube and even IST. I thank our head of the department, Professor G.K. Patil, to guide us and to help us in all the ways administratively for any kind of program, not only this Atal, but any kind of program. So I thanks Professor G.K. Patil. I thank my other faculty members of the department and institute for supporting us wherever a support is required for conducting this faculty development program. Especially I thank the students, those who have cooperated a lot in this 5 days program. To mention Ashutosh, Shravani and their team, wherever required, immediately they used to join, they used to solve the problem. And then our own research scholars, Pallavi, Rahul and Pushpak. And I think not a single query from the participants that is unattended. So wherever possible, maybe myself or my research scholars, they're always, they have attended whatever queries the research, I mean the participants, they have during these 5 days, and even before this 5 days, the 1 month. So since 1.5 months, so much of participants, they are in touch with us for their different difficulties. And we have enjoyed this. We have enjoyed the, I mean, organizing this FDP and giving a good stuff to the participant, because I mean, framing the themes, and based upon themes, who will be a better teacher, so that from the basics he can teach you. So that kind of even thinking I had in my mind, and based upon that, the entire FDP it was planned, and even the sequence of the lectures that is also planned. And I'm very fortunate that I got the excellent response from experts. And to whom I have contacted, everyone says yes. And all they have presented their sessions. So that is what I mean, 100% effort from the experts. So I should thank all the experts also for their contribution to this FDP. So that's it's our luck, our department's luck, that whatever we have asked, everyone says yes, and everyone they have delivered also. So in spite of their busy schedule, but still no one says that no, I have some issues and I have some problems, I cannot deliver the lecture and all. It has not happened. So that is my goodness, and it's a wonderful experience. So I thank all the participants, because around 150 to 170 participants are there. So simply, even most of the time I didn't say that, yeah, please join. So very in this session, as per schedule, they have joined the sessions and they have attended, and they tried to take much more from this FDP. So it's a wonderful experience of these participants. Only some concerns are there, like I know this in 5 days it is very difficult to understand the optimization. Like Subhajit, he has mentioned that something it is something like a tough job. But I think it is a tough job to all also, but their fruits are very good. Because whenever you say that I know optimization, you will be something different than others. Because to go with the research, as Ramesh and other experts, even the postgraduate, I mean the postdoc fellow also there, they know the optimization is very essential in the research. Otherwise, doing things in a routine way, that doesn't help a lot. So that definitely in your research career, this course will be benefited. And of course, we will try to take in the advanced course, we will try to take from different disciplines the experts, because the objective of this course is mainly to give the basic knowledge. That is why I try to see the experts, those who are the most of them, they are the authors. So one is from NPTEL course author was there, Nagesh Kumar. So similarly, the other few authors also, they were there in this course. So maybe you may be knowing or you may not be knowing. So I find a faculty such that they can give the basics of optimization techniques. So this is how I planned, and being it is elementary, that is what a requirement of AICT. But in advanced course, definitely in experts in different disciplines, because that is advanced and application, more application oriented. So that we will keep if the AICT allows us. So I thank all of you, all the participants and experts, and my head of the department and principal, my students. So thank you very much. Namaskar. And with the permission of principal, I declare that this program is over. Murna sir?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah. So thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you and congratulations.
Group photo is
I,
photo.
sir,
Yeah, photo is remaining. I request all to please on your video, and in a 1 minute or so, our students will take the screenshots. So please take good things from this course. If any bad things are there, you leave it here only.
One more, Mr. Narulkar is there, sir. He is from Indore.
Yeah, I know. He is my friend. I asked him, he was busy.
He had taken stochastic programming 1 week. We had attended actually.
Yeah. He is a good person in optimization.
Yeah, that's what.
No, very frequently I visit to Indore, and he also visit to Aurangabad.
Yeah, okay.
Recently, 1 week before only, we have taken one MTech examination.
Okay, sir. He's a good man, sir. Very long back we had met actually.
Yeah. So for his 2 students, I was examiner. Last week we met virtually.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
Pallavi, Rahul,
Yes, sir.
can you manage these photographs? Who is taking? Rahul? Pushpa?
Going on.
Yes, sir, sure.
Yes, sir. Okay, please take it, and once it is over, you tell us.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
It's over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the participants, thank you very much.
Just one feedback is link is provided in chat box. All are requested to that submit that particular feedback. Last feedback.
Last feedback link, please fill it and submit it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thanks.